Kari Rai plies his rickshaw in Delhi's Uttam Nagar all day, every day, to make ends meet. A poor migrant from Bihar, Rai had no bank account and struggled to send his hard-earned money to his family back home. But all that changed 3 months ago when Rai went to an outlet for Eco, a one-of-a-kind financial services company. 20 minutes later, he walked out with a bank account to his name and the ability to deposit and withdraw cash by just tapping a few keys on his cell phone.
The person can actually, before work or after work, walk into any of the Eco outlets. What the CSP does, he dials a syntax, a short code, which is like *543, which tells the server that the transaction is going to be directed to an Eco account. Then he gives the account number, which is nothing but a 10-digit mobile number of the customer, star. Then he'll dial the amount that I need to deposit. So I deposit 100 rupees, star. Then he secures this entire transaction by a security key that is provided by the CSP. He enters that 10-digit unique number, hash, and he presses the green button.
For Kari Rai and his family, the scheme from Eco has been transformational.
पहले बहुत सी मुश्किलें आती, मतलब कि यहाँ पहचान पत्र दो, राशन कार्ड दो और यहाँ का मतलब आईडी दो, तो ये सब मुश्किलें से जो है सो बहुत दिक्कत आती थी, इसलिए हमारे पास तो इतना सब जुड़ नहीं पाता है। तो इको में हमें बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि मतलब कि हमारे पास आईडी अगर बिहार का भी है तो हम यहाँ खाता खुला सकते हैं, यहाँ मतलब कि यहाँ से कहीं भी पैसे हम भेज सकते हैं यहाँ से बिहार में।
Almost 60% of India's population is either unbanked or underbanked. But in 2006, the RBI allowed banks to use business correspondents to reach out to customers. And an entrepreneur named Abhishek Sinha decided to latch on to this opportunity. His company Eco was born in 2007. It combined branchless banking and mobile banking by using local retailers to reach out to new customers like Kari Rai. But it also sought to be different from its competitors.
When we try and differentiate with other mobile banking players, we also have it's not only about electronic transactions, but it's also about a physical interface where physical money is converted into electronic money and electronic money is converted into physical money. And when we try and differentiate with other branchless banking providers, then we don't use biometrics, we don't use smart cards, but we use a cell phone. And we don't use our own staff as agents, but we use these set of retailers as our agents.
Using cell phones for banking means tighter security measures. The team at Eco devised its own system of authentication, which requires just a booklet. To produce a unique 10-digit code during every transaction, all that one needs to do is fill these blanks with their PIN. This code is then entered by the CSP before pressing the green button. Eco now partners with SBI and ICICI Bank, and while it struggled to stay afloat in its early days, changes in banking regulations helped Eco grow.
The major milestones came sometime in 2008 and 2009 when they formally said that retailers can be appointed as sub-agents or agents, and they also encouraged banks to charge the customers. Ever since the bank started to charge the customers, our remuneration increased and hence our viability has improved significantly.
All the hard work has paid off. Eco is now present in 1,000 locations across Delhi, Bihar and Jharkhand, helping over 1 lakh people acquire bank accounts. Its other beneficiaries are the retailers who get paid for every transaction that an Eco customer makes.
जो भी हम विड्रॉल और डिपॉजिट करते हैं कस्टमर का, कभी मतलब कस्टमर जैसे अभी आया जिसने 100 रुपये डिपॉजिट किया तो उसका 0.3% हमको मिलता है, चाहे वो विड्रॉल हो चाहे वो डिपॉजिट हो। और जब हम कस्टमर का अकाउंट खोलते हैं तो उस पर 30 रुपीज़ पर अकाउंट ओपनिंग वो हमें कंपनी से मिलता है। जो CSPs हैं उनको फ़ायदा ये हुआ कि उनके फुटफॉल जो बहुत बढ़ गए हैं।
The 90-odd people who make up Eco are ready to launch it into the future. Next on the agenda, reaching out to people who don't even have cell phones.
Any person who does not have a mobile phone can still afford to get a SIM card, which is practically available for free today. And they can get a unique identifier, a mobile number, 10-digit identifier for themselves. So what happens is, if they have to do any transaction, They visit our CSP, and a CSP has a shared phone at his outlet, and this customer feeds in a SIM inside the shared phone and performs the transaction.
Echo is also looking to cast its net wider in the future and back customers in other regions.
Mumbai is a very attractive location for us to start operations in. Now that we have some money, we do plan to start operations in Mumbai and maybe UP, which we look forward to doing it in the next 3 to 6 months' time.
Echo has helped shrink the bank to the size of a local kirana store, thus empowering multitudes using just a simple mobile phone in one of the world's biggest telecom markets. Technology has arrived on the poor man's doorstep to change his lifestyle.
Hello.